a little behind the scenes shot. I'm just getting into position for the craziest opening shot I've ever done on the channel. Here we go. I'm going to go over here, and then I'm on the phone to my daughter who's cueing my son who's going to film this. So how about this? How does this look, Joe? Or do you want me to be a bit more central? How's that? So my son, he's got the camera there and I'm on the phone to them, and we're just going to do this mad intro. Joe, do you think I should take sunglasses off? I'm going to put the phone down a bit. Tell me when to go. Yeah? You want to tell me now? Yeah? Okay, here we go. Are you recording? Okay. Here we go, ready? And I'm recording on this one, so I'll get the sound here. Hang on, so I've just got some loud people going past. Hang on a sec. Okay, ready to go? About 10 seconds. Okay, ready? Here we go. Where are you? Wait, there you go.
Go.
Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome back to the channel where we try new things to make your family happy. And today we are here in the Colosseum in Rome, Italy. You got someone? Okay, you got someone in shot. Shall I move over? I'll move over. Hang on. Ready? So how about here? Yeah? Don't need to move? Okay. Here we go. Oh, stop.
But I'm still mad at you because you didn't get actual.
Hello, I'm Neil. Oh, Jesus. Here we go. Ready? Hello, I'm Neil. Welcome back to the channel where we try new things to make your family happy. And today we are here in the Colosseum in Rome, Italy. You got it? Yeah, this is like when I worked in telly and talk back. You good? Or should I do a safety one? Yeah, we good?
Yeah.
Well done, thank you. Alright, see you later.